Welcome back, friends. My name is Sean, the garlic and butter guy. Today it's all about flavor. We're gonna go ahead and use short ribs. Now, obviously you can use any kind of meat that you would like. You could actually use pork belly for this recipe as well, and also chicken.
I have a good question. Why is your shirt so tight?
Oh, you notice it? Bro, it's cold. I had to put layers on. It's freezing out here.
Layers.
Not funny. All right, guys, let's get started. For this recipe, we're going to go ahead and use these short ribs, slice them up, or go ahead and use pork belly. Before I braise it in the Dutch oven, take this and we're going to boil it. All right, so we'll go ahead and dump that into the boiling water. Close the lid, let it boil for about 10 minutes. And what that's going to do is it's going to give us a softer meat, and that way when we go ahead and braise it, it'll be nice and crispy and really, really tender. All right, guys, we're back. It's been about 10-15 minutes. Let's take a look at this. Now that it's boiled, take it out, and I'm gonna let the water drain as much as possible. And this is honestly a step you guys can really skip. It's not really mandatory. I just like to do it because it just gives it a more tender bite. Set this aside, let it drain, and we're gonna come back and we're gonna go ahead and start putting all the flavors to the short ribs. Be right back. All right, bro, come down and get a shot of this. Look at that. So after about 10-15 minutes, the water's been drained, right? And I'm gonna start up this Dutch oven, add some neutral oil to the bottom, about a quarter cup of neutral oil. We're gonna let this warm up and we're gonna start adding the ribs. All right, let's go ahead and start adding the short ribs. All right, so we're gonna try to get as much as caramelization as we can on the meat, and then we're gonna go ahead and start adding all those flavors. To this, we're gonna go ahead and add a little bit of salt. And the reason why I say is a little bit is because we're gonna have the soy sauce, and that's salty. About a quarter cup of regular soy sauce. About 3 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. We have oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce goes in. 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce. About 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. And a whole head of garlic, minced, goes in.
A whole head?
Yes, sir. Soy sauce and garlic, it's the perfect combo. Give this a little mix as much as we can. Ooh, do you smell it?
I smell it.
Oh, man. It's right under my nose and I can smell it. Delicious. I'm gonna add some ginger. We're gonna just slice it up roughly. And goes in. A little bit of white pepper on this one. Go ahead and give it another mix. Get all those pushed down. And now to this, we're gonna add some water until it's covered. We're gonna go ahead and cover this up, and I'm gonna let it simmer for about half hour to an hour, just depending on how fast we lose that moisture. All right, guys, we're back. Let's take a look, and look how much that water and the flavors have evaporated into the actual ribs. So I've turned it off. This actually took more than half hour. It took about an hour because of the amount of water I had put in there. Depends on how much water you guys use, but for this recipe, it actually took about an hour. We're gonna go ahead and start plating it. I have some rice here that I pre-made already, ready to go. I'm gonna put this like that, and we're gonna flip. And I hope this works, bro.
I hope it works.
Let's see. Bingo.
There you go.
Beautiful. Now to this, my tweezers on steroids. We're gonna go ahead and take them out like that. That's one. Let's find another nice. That is.
Looks amazing.
2. So we're gonna decorate it with some green onion. Put some on top, and last but not least, some sesame seeds. There you guys go. A flavorful short rib dish. Easy to make. Absolutely full of flavor. Wait, should I eat it? I think I should eat it.
Yeah, eat it.
Oh boy. Oh wow. We go for one more. There it is, guys. Absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for tuning in. Until next time, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and don't forget to ringle-dingle that bell. We're going to go ahead and put all the flavors... No. We're going to go ahead and put all the flavors back into the short ribs. We're going to go ahead and put all the flavors after these messages. We'll be right back. I forgot where I was at. All right. This was... Damn. Forgot something.
I'm close to you, you still miss.